Yum, 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 yum. Let's go. Come on, bud. Mum. Hey. Nom. Alright, so Tobias is asleep in the car, and my bear decided to stay in there first. We just got some Tim Hortons this morning, just leaving the hotel, but I think Tobias woke up a little too early, so he's a little tired already. So he's actually sleeping already. But yeah, we got Tim Hortons. Just try it out. It's like a Canadian staple. And now we're just kind of walking around. But we went to go check out this spot. I don't know too much about it, but this is the Gastown steam clock. I don't know, I thought there'd be a lot of people, but I guess there's not that much. Weather-wise, it's pretty cold right now. That's why if you guys see me like adjusting my collar, it's pretty cold. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the car and see if Ma Bear needs help with Tobias, and then see if she's gonna take some of her videos over here. What?
I went to the store. My wallet's in the bag.
Did you see? Did you see the steam clock?
It rang, but then I didn't get a video of it.
I know. I just googled it right now. It says every 15 minutes.
Is he awake or?
No, he's just sleeping. So this is how we do our trips now, guys. We take turns doing things. Especially if Tobias is
Well,
asleep.
actually, no. This is our first time doing it.
I know.
Can I get my wallet real quick?
Oh yeah.
I ran.
It's every 15 minutes. Did you make that one? Oh, but you didn't. It rang off while you were walking. Oh. Yeah, so apparently it's every 15 minutes. I didn't know until like I googled it after I got back in the car. But yeah, we were just like a few minutes away. If I stayed there like a couple more minutes, we could have got out on video.
You could have.
But maybe we'll get the next one on video.
What you doing? You ready? Let's go.
Alright guys, so we're over here right now at Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge. Part of Lynn Canyon?
I guess
It's like the
so.
city of it. We didn't really do much research, but I mean this one is less touristy and it's free. So it's probably gonna be less busy, so.
But it is cold.
Yeah. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Hoo-yah! Hi, mister. Cold? Chicka-cha-cha, chicka-cha-cha, chicka-cha, chicka-cha, chicka-cha-cha, chicka-cha, chicka-cha, chicka-cha-cha. Yeah! Chicka-cha-cha, cha-cha. Yeah! You hear the water?
Bud. Tobias. He's smiling.
Where you been? You okay? You okay?
앞으로 하나도 되겠다.
You okay? You see? Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Hi, bud. How are you? You want to go? Look at this one, bud. You want to cross? I'm down. Are you down? These shoes better not slip, I swear. My shoes. My shoes hecka slippery. You okay, bud? Do you feel it?
Oh my god.
Okay, so it's not really a fear. I mean, I don't care if I slip, you know, like on my butt, whatever. But I care more about slipping and falling, and this little dude is on me. So it's like I'd rather just like not slip. And like I don't know if anybody has ever, I don't know if you guys have ever like you know, had a carrier on you, or like just like a heavy backpack kind of, but it's also in the front, but the transfer of weight is a little different. Hi, bud.
Tobias.
Come upstairs. Upstairs.
Okay.
Barbara was taking a photo right now.
Wait, perfect. Sorry.
Woo! It's not too bad. Not too busy. A lot of locals, seems like, and like maybe a few people that are visiting. But I mean, for the most part, it's not bad. It ain't the longest bridge, but it's definitely a nice view. Wow. Look, bud. You okay? Want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to everybody. Say hi to the vlog.
Your face is like red.
Hi, Mom Bear. Let me see you. What do you have to say about the nature?
No, I can't lie. Looks good. I think Capilano is longer, so and it's wider, definitely. But yeah.
And overrated? And lots of crowds?
Oh yeah.
Lots of crowds compared to here?
Yeah, because over there that's like a longer and it's bigger. And it has more attraction, I guess.
Yeah, and that's like what pops up, not this.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah,
It's actually nice.
yeah.
Not too crowded, just good. Oh, Tita thinks that we're a Capilano. Tobias! Tobias!
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Upstairs. Alright guys, so we made our way here to Granville Island. Since we do have the rental car, we decided to just drive in. The ferry would have been about $15 for the three of us round trip. Parking was only $2 an hour, so it would probably be like $6. If anything, if we extend another hour, it would be like $8. So at least we have all of his stuff, like the car seat and all that, and we could change his diaper in the trunk or something. So that was the plan. Hi, Bobby.
Yeah. Sorry, someone was right in my face.
And oh, okay, we're going this way.
Well, I don't know.
These are like, I don't know what happened. Kind of just stopped recording. But yeah, we're looking for food here in Granville Island. Just kind of walking. We're just walking here. Why don't you look at your map? Don't you have your phone? She's been here before, but
It's been a while.
she forgot.
Very long time.
I'm just kind of taking in the sights, which is pretty nice. Right, Tobias? Is it nice?
Hey, bud. There's dockside. Oh, you know what? It's all the way over there. Look. Here, look.
Hey, bud. Alright, so pretty much we spent a good amount of time. Alright, so pretty much we spent a good amount of time here at Granville Island. And now we're just kind of winding down because we just ate and we just had ice cream. Did you get a picture of the ice cream? Okay, she got a picture of the ice cream. I was holding Tobias, so we didn't get any pictures. But Tobias enjoyed some gelato or ice cream. Some gelato ice cream? I think it was gelato. But yeah, this guy's a little tired now. So we're gonna be chilling for a little bit. getting kind of late. It's already 4:05. But yeah, my bear's here. She's taking a picture of the mural in front of us. Hi, my bear. Oh, okay, let's go.
Sorry.
Alright, let's roll then, guys. Let's roll. Hi. You wave. You say hi. Say hi. Oh no. Oh no. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Okay. Oh. Say hi. Hi. Dada. Hi. Hi. Yay. 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 Yay! 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 Let's take your hand up so you can wave. There you go. You wanna wave, everybody? Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay, take your hand up there. Hi! Say hi. Okay.